Hey everybody, it's Tiffany from Coulter's Workshop, and today I'm going to be showing you how to customize one of these little clear glass ornaments. You can get these at Michael's or the Dollar Tree. I got mine at Michael's in a pack of 8, I believe, and it was originally priced at about $12, but at the time when I bought them, it was before Christmas, so I think I got 40% off. So it's really a good way to make some custom gifts if you want to make tons or if you have a lot of people to buy for, and it's just really cost effective and quick. So you're going to need your ornaments. You can get these in plastic or glass. The ones that I'm working with are glass. And you also need some vinyl to cut your whatever you're putting on it on. So I use the Oracal 651 vinyl in white. So I do have my text cut already. I just haven't weeded it yet. And then I also have a variety of little things that I picked up from the dollar store. I basically just sort of looked through the Christmas section and the kids craft section and just looked for anything that was little that I could put inside the ornament. But there's a lot of ideas on Pinterest too. So I got little bits of confetti. So I got this in a 3-pack. So it came with this little white pearlescent color, a gold one, and a silver one. And that was, I think, $1 for all 3 of those little packs. And then I also got this little set. If I hold this up a little still, maybe. There you go. So it comes with like a lot of different little bits. So there's little beads, little miniature pom-poms, other types of little shapes and little sequins. And this was $1.25 or $1.50 for the whole little pack. And this is my 4th ornament that I'm making. So I already started to fill with some of the confetti. So I've just been using a funnel for the confetti part, and I might put some more in there too, I'm not really sure. But I'm just gonna go ahead and put some of these little items in. Okay, so I have it filled about to here. It's probably not going to focus on it very well. Then you're going to put the little topper back on, so there's little ends that you just need to squeeze together. There we go. So we've got the top back on, and now we're going to put on our text. So the first thing that we're going to do is you need to clean your ornament with alcohol. That's going to get all of the oil from your fingers off the glass so that your vinyl adheres better. Get that nice and clean. I'm just going to leave that on there for a second. I'm going to grab my text. So I have something that I'm putting on the front side and the back side. And you're going to weed everything around the letters off. So I'm just going to peel from here. And just tuck that to the side. And now I just need to take out all of the insides of the letters. Okay, and that's what I'm putting on the back side. So the first thing you're going to do is get some transfer tape, and you're going to lay this on the letters. And just rub that on really well. And then when you pick it up, you're going to remove the backing from your vinyl so that it leaves just the text that you want on the transfer tape. And then you're going to just stick this to your ornament wherever you would like it to be. And always press starting from the middle of your design. Just make sure that you're rubbing so that the text is really stuck onto the ornament. So I'm just slowly moving my finger around making sure that I'm pressing down so that all the vinyl sticks to the cloths. And then you're just going to gently lift the transfer tape. I do that slowly so that I can make sure that my vinyl is all stuck. There we go, then we have one side. Now, for the other side, same thing. I have text that says engaged and then the year they got engaged. And I'm going to just reuse that same piece of transfer tape and just rub that right down. Maybe I can move this down. There we go, that's better. Yeah, so I'm just rubbing right there. And then I'm going to flip it over and remove just my backing and hope that okay, perfect. Now I'm just going to look through the glass and make sure that I'm sort of centered with the text on the other side, right? And we're just going to go ahead and do the same thing, just sort of start in the middle of your text and just slowly push that right on there. There we go. I've reused this piece of transfer tape for all the ornaments that I did, so you really don't need much in supplies, and you can, even on a 12 by 12 sheet of vinyl, you can get quite a lot of like whatever you want, initials or little sayings. I don't want the font to be too big on an ornament of this size. Okay, and we're just going to gently lift our transfer tape. There we go. So now the front of my ornament looks like this. That's the back. So now I'm going to just take I'm going to just take some white ribbon to make our little hanger. Not the best at bows. There we go. Ta-da! And that's it. So I will leave all of my social media links down below. And I usually post to my Instagram the most often, so if you're interested in seeing what I get up to on more of a regular basis, you can follow me there. The handle will be listed down below, and if you have any questions, you can send me an email at quilters.workshop@gmail.com. And I hope you all had a great Christmas or whatever holiday you might be celebrating, and I thank you so much for taking the time to watch the video and wish you all the best in 2020.